Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make TradingView look better. Let's dive into customizing your charts for a more personalized and efficient trading experience. You can easily adjust background colors, change the look of your candlesticks, and even modify grid lines. These simple tweaks can significantly improve your visual comfort and focus during trading sessions. A well-organized chart helps you analyze market data more effectively, reducing eye strain and enhancing your overall workflow. Beyond basic colors, TradingView offers diverse themes, from sleek dark modes to bright light options, catering to your visual comfort. You can also fine-tune the scale and axis labels, ensuring all price and time information is perfectly legible. Experiment with alternative chart types, such as Heiken Ashi or Renko, to gain fresh perspectives on market trends. These options allow for a truly unique and optimized charting environment, making your analysis more intuitive and enjoyable. Optimizing your indicators is crucial for a cleaner chart. You can personalize the colors, line styles, and input settings for each indicator, making them stand out or blend in as needed. Saving custom chart layouts allows you to switch between different analysis setups with just one click, saving valuable time. Furthermore, adjusting text size and font ensures that all on-screen information, from prices to indicator values, is perfectly readable, enhancing your overall trading efficiency. For advanced customization, build custom watch lists tailored to your trading strategy, adding specific columns for essential data points. Setting up personalized alerts with unique messages and notification types ensures you never miss a critical market move. These features, combined with visual enhancements, create a powerful and highly efficient trading platform. Remember, a well-configured TradingView setup can significantly boost your analytical edge. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to this book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.